चक्रवर्ती को डेब्यू मिला उस दूसरे मुकाबले में, उन्होंने भी वो विकेट झटकाया अपने दूसरे ही ओवर में। नागपुर में जीते आसानी से, वहां पे शुभमन गिल का अर्धशतक आया, उसमें अक्षर पटेल, श्रेयस अय्यर ने रन बनाए। अब फिर हम खटक गए तो उसमें आया हिटमैन का शतक, उसके साथ शुभमन गिल का एक और अर्धशतक। 2-0 की सीरीज की स्कोर लाइन के साथ इस नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम में पहुंचे 3-0 के मंसूबे लेके, और अब रिकॉर्ड तोड़ना अब इतिहास है, अब नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित करने में क्लास है, और एग्जैक्टली यही टीम बताती हुई चैंपियन। लगातार 7वीं बायलैटरल ओडीआई सीरीज जीत घर पे भारतीय टीम के लिए ये दबदबा अभी भी।
Obviously against a really good team, so it's a tough challenge. But like you said, we've threatened, like I said, throughout the whole tour, but just never good enough to win games of cricket.
Josh, thanks for the chat. And rupees 1 lakh. 208 fantasy points. A scintillating 100. His 7th. The next award is the SBI Live. He too gets a trophy and rupees 1 lakh. And this is for an all-round performance on the field. A catch, a stumping, not to forget the 40 runs that he scored. To hand this award to Shubman Gill for some outstanding drives in the field. Trophy and rupees 1 lakh to be presented to him. 14 fours in his century. The match award. This winner will get a trophy and rupees 1 lakh. And may I request Hardik Bagrecha to present this. And it goes to KL Rahul. Really good behind the stumps. Overall fielding performance in the pitch. It's Shubman Gill who will receive a trophy and 1 lakh to be presented by Mr. Madhukar Pant. 112 runs of 102 deliveries, 3 sixes and 14 of the series also goes to Shubman Gill, and he will receive a prize money of rupees 2.5 lakh along with the trophy, which will be presented by Mr. Mohammad Hamid Shamshad. 259 runs at a mouth-watering average of 86.33. Is this some of the best batting that you've done in this format, if I can say so?
Yeah, definitely. I was feeling good, and I think this is one of my better knocks that I've played in the ODI. The wicket was a bit tricky in the start, and very satisfied with the way I batted in this match.
You guys had to ride through that opening burst from Mark Wood. What was the chat when Virat Kohli walked out?
There was a bit for the fast bowlers in the wicket, and I think the ball was seaming a bit and wasn't coming that good onto the bat. So the chat was simple to rotate the strike, just make sure that we don't lose too many wickets in the power play, and then build on the momentum that we get.
You spoke about the wonderful batting. What is it that goes through the headspace of a batter or a sports person when you're in that zone? What are you thinking?
Honestly, you don't think much. You're just reacting to what's coming to you, and when you are batting at your best, that's what you do. You're just reacting to what's coming to you. You're not thinking too much.
Thanks a lot for the chat. Really well done, really well done. May it continue for a long time.
Thank you.
How pleased are you? I'm pretty sure you're pretty pleased, but how pleased are you with everything that the team has done?
No, very, very pleasing. We knew when we came into the series, we knew there will be some challenges that we have to face, but we came out pretty well facing those challenges, and whatever was thrown at us, we responded pretty well throughout the series.
How amazing is it? We always say that sport is a great leveler, cricket is a great leveler. You play this scintillating innings and you get a delivery like that first up.
I mean, there's nothing I could have done about that. You got to give credit to the bowler as well. Yeah, exactly. I mean, look, the bowlers are there to get you out, and you are there to face those challenges as a batter. Sometimes you are lucky that it misses the bat, and it's a good ball, and you just appreciate the ball and then move on from there. But I just nicked the ball. Second ball I was facing, I couldn't have done too much about that.
As a skipper and as a team management, I suppose you throw lots of challenges within the group. And this group has done exceptionally well against a big ticket side like England. When you think of the Champions Trophy, what are the things which you as a captain want that improvement? I know you will say that you want to improve everywhere, but some of the marginal improvements where you want to tighten up.
Look, I don't see there was anything wrong that we did in this series. There are some areas, but I'm not going to sit here and discuss about it, stand here and discuss about it. There are obviously regular chats that happens within the group. and the players are quite comfortable having those chats. And it's only to make sure that we as a team is moving forward. It's not about individual. This is not an individual sport. It is about the team, and whatever it takes for us to move forward. All 11 of us, including the guys who are outside as well, wanting to do different things at different times. Those are the things that we regularly talk with the players, and then it's up to the players to accept that and go out there and just keep delivering. And we are there. It's our job to make sure that there is some consistency as well within the squad. We try and keep things very clear. Those are the things we can try and do. But in terms of the skills, I think a near perfect skills throughout the series. There's nothing that I can sit here and discuss. Obviously, I'll again say that because that is where a good team or a champion team looks forward to of getting better every game, and we want to improve in every aspect of that. So I would look at that and move forward from there.